Our overall experience is very good. So we get a lot of new connections here from the IT team, from a lot of different companies here today. So I hope that we will follow up with them closely, set up a meeting with them, and then we can come up with some new opportunities with them. So I think it's a very good job that you guys do at Cito here. So you guys like really focuses on the IT teams, the managers, the IT leaders that are in charge of the decision making, and also they have the demand for the product. So they know our products very well for the BI and also the dashboard tool. So I think it's very effective here because we spend our time like communicating with the right people who have the right demand for us to follow up with. So I think it's very good too because we just established our company here in Indonesia last July. So we don't really have a lot of connections yet here. And then through this event, we were connected with a lot of big players here in Indonesia.